Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Hamilton, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to look at common deck layout mistakes that homeowners often regret and how you can avoid them. When people plan a deck, they usually think about the overall size first. Let's make it 12 by 16. Or, let's run it the whole length of the house. Size matters, but shape and layout matter just as much. One of the biggest mistakes we see is building a deck that's long but not deep enough. On paper, it looks like a large space. In real life, once you place a table and chairs, there's hardly any room to walk around. People end up bumping into each other or squeezing behind chairs every time someone wants to get by. A better approach is to think in zones. One area for sitting, one for cooking, maybe one as a simple open space. That helps you set the depth and width more realistically. Another common issue is poor traffic flow. Think about how people will move from your back door to the deck, from the deck to the stairs, and from the stairs into the yard. If all of that movement is forced through one tight corner, the space will always feel cramped. Moving the stairs a few feet, or adjusting where a railing starts and stops, can make everything flow much better. Door placement matters too. If your main door opens right into the back of a chair or a grill, using the deck becomes frustrating. When we design layouts, we think about how wide the door swing is, where people will stand as they step out, and what they see and feel right away. Clear space in front of the door makes the whole deck feel more inviting. Decks also need to work with what's below and around them. If you have or plan to have a patio, a pergola, or even an outdoor kitchen, those elements need space to breathe. You don't want stairs dumping people into the middle of your cooking area, or a railing blocking the best place for a seating group. Thinking about these relationships early can save you from expensive changes later. Another mistake is forgetting about basic furniture sizes. Before you finalize a layout, it helps to picture actual pieces: a table, chairs, a grill, maybe a small outdoor sofa. Give each of those items enough space, and then check what walking paths are left. Sometimes just a foot or two of extra depth makes the difference between tight and comfortable. At Tough Deck Builders Hamilton, we always ask homeowners how they picture using the deck. Do you want one big table or separate seating areas? Do you grill often? Do you need clear paths for kids or pets to move in and out of the yard? Those answers shape the layout as much as the numbers on a plan. If you'd like help planning a deck that feels easy and natural to use, we'd be glad to talk it through with you. You can reach Tough Deck Builders Hamilton at 513-895-9287 or visit toughdeckbuildershamilton.com to get started. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Hamilton. A strong deck starts with strong structure, but a great deck goes one step further and gets the layout right so you enjoy it every time you step outside.